Okay, today we see exercise number 42. Mr. Sundar started his business with capital of rupees 1,20,000. Okay, he started the business with 1,20,000, retaining 78,000 rupees cash, 78,000 rupee cash for day-to-day needs. Means it is cash in hand. 78,000 is cash in hand. And he immediately purchased furniture for rupees 12,000. This 78,000 day-to-day needs is called as cash in hand. Okay, cash in hand. And immediately purchased furniture for rupees 12,000. Then goods worth rupees 30,000. These are the items. Okay, these three are equal to capital or not. 1,20,000 is the capital introduced. In that 1,20,000 capital, 78,000 is the cash, 12,000 is the furniture, and 30,000 is the goods. Goods means it is called as stock. It is stock. Okay. So with these items, you may prepare opening statement of S. If you prepare opening statement of S, in the opening statement of S, this capital you take on the liability side, and asset side you take the three items. You take the three items. That is cash in hand 78,000, furniture 12,000, and stock 30,000. These three items you take on the asset side, and the total is 1,20,000 liability side, 1,20,000 on the asset side. Okay, this is the opening statement of affairs. If you prepare opening statement of affairs, okay. Otherwise, you enter these items in the cash book. Okay, you enter these items in the cash book. If you enter these items in the cash book, capital introduced is a receipt, so you record this amount in the receipt side, and whatever purchase made, furniture and stock, you enter this capital in the cash account debit side as capital, and payment side you write purchase of furniture and purchase of stock. Okay, this is the alternative method. In the starting, one problem I solved, this type of problem I solved in the starting itself. Someone started business and introduced capital of some amount and then purchased the assets. All those items I showed in the opening statement of this. Okay, the same type of example I solved in the starting, and in that case I taken these items in the opening statement of this. Okay, today I'll take in the cash book. Today I'll take these items in the cash book. Okay, and he introduced further capital of which 12,000. This further capital comes in the cash book receipt side. He borrowed rupees 18,000 from Mrs. Sundar. Mrs. Sundar, borrowed means it is loan. So it is also comes on the cash book receipt side, and then goes to balance sheet. Then he had drawn 1,500 monthly for private expenses. Monthly drawing 1,500, then you have to calculate annual drawings. Annual drawing by multiplying this amount with 12. You multiply this amount by 12 and you will get the annual drawing. Okay, you calculate the annual drawing. You see this is the additional capital, take in the cash book receipt side and take the same into the balance sheet. And borrowed amount receipt side in the cash book, then take to the balance sheet as loan. Then drawing is the payment. You take cash book credit side as by drawing. Okay. Then you record the same in the capital. You adjust in the capital in the balance sheet. Okay. Then the transactions made during the year 2006 are given below. First is wages. You take in the cash book payment side, then trading account. Carriage inward, cash book payment side, then trading account. Discount allowed is a non-cash item. Discount allowed is a non-cash item. You take this in the debtors account. Debtors account credit side, then take in the P&L account. Salary is a cash item. Take in the cash book. Salary is a cash account. Take in the cash book payment side, then take to the P&L account. Bad debt is a non-cash item. Bad debt is a non-cash item. Take to the debtors account. Debtors account credit side, P&L account debit side. Advertisement is cash account, cash transaction. Take in the cash book payment side, then P&L account debit side. Sundry expense is a cash transaction. Cash transaction. You take in the cash book payment side, then take in the P&L account debit side. Sale of old newspaper. It is a cash transaction. So take in the cash book receipt side. If you sell the old newspaper, you will collect the amount. Therefore, it is a receipt. So receipt side you enter. Then in the P&L account credit side you enter this transaction. Then total sale goes to trading account. Total sale goes to trading account. Okay. Total purchase goes to trading account. Cash sale goes to cash book receipt side. Cash sale goes to cash book receipt side. Therefore, you have to make the difference. Total sale is 2,40,000. Cash sale is 60,000. Then difference is called as credit sale. That credit sale you take in the credit sale you take in the debtors account. Okay. Total sale minus cash sale is equal to credit sale. Total sale minus cash sale is equal to credit sale. That credit sale comes to debtors account. Remember this point. Okay. Then credit purchase is here. Credit purchase comes to creditors account, credit side. Creditors account, credit side. Then you have to calculate cash purchase. Okay. Total purchase is here. Total purchase 1,20,000. Out of 1,20,000, credit purchase is 196,000. Okay. Difference I think 24,000. The difference 24,000 you have to take in the cash book purchase. Remember this point. Okay. Then debtors closing balance goes to debtors account. Buy balance carried down and goes to balance sheet. Creditors closing balance goes to creditors account debit side, to balance carried down, then take in the balance sheet. And stock at the end of the year, you take in the trading account, then take in the balance sheet. Okay, these are the items you have to enter. Okay, in this way you enter the transaction, find the missing information, then prepare the trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay. Someone raised the hand. What is your problem? I'm having short time. If you are having problems, you call me and clear your doubts. Because within short time, I have to complete the whole problem. Okay. If you are having problem, you call me afterwards. Okay. So you may calculate, you may prepare opening statement of phase. In the opening statement of phase, liability side you take capital 1,20,000, asset side cash in hand 78,000, then furniture 12,000, stock 30,000. Take the total is 1,20,000. Okay, then the same cash 78,000 you have to take in the cash book as to balance brought down. Then solve the problem. Okay, that is the first method. I'll take another method. Another method. Okay, first I'll prepare the cash book. This is the cash book. In the cash book, I'll enter all the transactions. I'll enter all the transactions in the cash book itself. Okay, so he introduced capital. Capital is a receipt you take on the receipt side. To capital 1,20,000. Okay, then immediately purchase furniture 12,000 and additional capital is 12,000. He purchased stock rupees 30,000. Okay, 78,000 is the cash balance that is in the cash book itself. Don't record it. Remember this. Okay, out of 1,20,000, furniture purchase 12,000, stock purchase 30,000, remaining balance in the cash book itself. Okay, if these three items, you remember, if these three items, capital, furniture, and stock are taken in the opening statement of here, you have to take here cash 78,000. Cash 78,000 in the opening statement of here. Remember this. You have to take in the opening statement of his if you want to prepare opening statement of his. Okay, these three. Then additional capital 12,000 he introduced. After the additional capital, loan taken from the Mrs. Sundar 18,000 is there. Okay, this is in the first paragraph, and drawing is there. You take drawing 1,500 per month into 12. 18,000 is the drawing, it is the payment. Then come to the transactions during the year. Wages is there, payment of wage you take in the payment side. Then carriage inward you take. Then discount is non-cash transaction. You take salary 1,000, 2,000. Then bad debt is non-cash transaction. Next is advertisement. You take 1,300. After advertisement, sundry expense 700. Okay, you take 700. The next is sale of old newspaper is a income. You take on the receipt side. Sale of old newspaper 100 rupee. Then total sales is there. Out of total sale, you have to deduct the cash sale. You will get the credit sale. So you take the sales. This sale is nothing but cash sale. Cash sale is amounted to rupees 60,000. 60,000. Okay. Then next is you have to take the cash purchase. Cash purchase you have to calculate. 1,20,000 is the total purchase. Out of this 96,000 is the credit. 96,000 is the credit. You deduct this, remaining 24,000 is cash purchase. Remember this, cash purchase. Okay. Then closing stock is there. Prepare the account. These are the cash items given in the problem. Cash items given in the problem. Next, I will take the debtors account and creditors account. I will prepare the debtors account and creditors account. This is debtors account, this is creditors account, and I'll start from the first. In the starting, what is in the starting? Balances are there. Then first item is discount. First item in the transaction is discount. Wages, carriage inward, discount allowed. 1800, debtors account credit side. The next is bad debt. Bad debt 1200 in the credit side of debtors account. After the bad debt, you come sales is there. In this sales, you have to take the credit sale. Credit sale is 1,20,000 is the total sale. Out of that 1,20,000, you deduct cash sale 60,000. Balance is 1,80,000. 1,80,000 is the credit sale. Okay. Then come to the next item. Next is credit purchase. Credit purchase is given in the problem. Credit purchase is 96,000. Okay, 96,000. After this, balances are there. Closing balance. You take the closing balance. Closing balance of debtors is 30,000. Closing balance of creditors is 21,000. Problem completed. All the items completed. Serially, you go through the problem from the starting to the last and enter the transactions. Then you start the closing process. You close the creditors account. Sorry, debtors account I will close first. Debtors credit side 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Then difference is 1,47,000. What is this? Debtors account difference 1,47,000. Credit side. Credit side important item. Balance is there. This credit side important item is buy cash. Cash collected from debtors. This you have to take in the cash book. Debit side. It comes here. It is ascertained. You take this amount in the cash book. Debit side. Now you close the creditors account. Creditors account total is 96,000. Okay, 96,000 is the total. Then difference is 75,000. This 75,000 difference on the debit side. Debit side important item is cash paid to creditors. Cash paid to creditors. So it is called as to cash. Okay, these two items I'll take in the cash book. I'll take in the cash book. Okay, in the cash book, debit side to debtors account 1,47,000. Credit side by creditors 75,000. Okay, entry completed. Now I close the cash book. Cash book total is 3,57,100. 3,57,100. Okay. Then balance you take, the balance is 1,89,600. Buy balance carried down 1,89,600. Balance completed. Okay. In this way, you have to prepare the cash book. Okay. First of all, you get the missing information. Then where is the key to move? Okay. Now missing informations are collected. Now go to trading profit and loss account. In the trading profit and loss account, first take the opening stock. Whatever purchase is there, starting purchase, you consider that as an opening stock. Otherwise, if you consider purchase, you have to add in the purchase. There are two purchases. Starting purchase, cash, another is, one more is there. So, to stock, 30,000. Okay. To opening stock, 30,000. To purchase, you may take the directly total purchase. Cash and credit, you leave that. You leave the cash and credit, the total purchase is given in the problem. Total purchase is given in the problem, you take that amount directly, no problem. 1,20,000 is the purchase. Okay, I will not take the cash and credit from the account. It is also right decision. The next item is wages. Wages in the cash book is 1,500. Next item is carriage inward. Carriage inward is 3,000. Okay, these are the items related with trading account. Debit side trading account. Come to the credit side, buy sales. Total sale is given in the problem. You take the total sale. Don't write the cash sale, credit sale. You may write no problem. You take cash sale from the cash book, then take credit sale from the debtors account, take the total, in the total less the returns. That is the procedure. You may follow, no problem. If you want to go speed or increase your speed, you take the directly total amount. Total sale is 2,40,000. Then closing stock is 21,000. Last item. Close the account. You will get the gross profit. Gross profit is 1,06,500. 1,06,500 is the gross profit. You take this gross profit to the P&L account part. Okay. Then you enter the P&L account item. P&L account items from the starting. First is sale of newspaper in the cash book receipt side. Sale of old newspaper. Sale of old newspaper is 100 rupees. Okay. It is a receipt. It is income you take on the credit side. Then expenses on the debit side. First is salary, 2,000. Second is advertisement from the cash book, 1,300. Third is sundry expense, 700. Then next is discount in the debtors account. Discount is in the debtors account, 1,800. Next is bad debt in the debtors account, 1,200. Problem completed. Okay, problem is completed. Then you take the total and assert in the balance. Now balance is net profit. Net profit is 99,600. 99,600 is the net profit. Clear? Very simple. It is a direct problem. Next, I'll take the balance sheet. Balance sheet. In the balance sheet, liability side, you take the capital. Opening capital 1,20,000. 1,20,000 is the opening capital. Next, add additional capital. Additional capital is 12,000. Add net profit 96,600. These are the additions you make. 2,31,600. Less drawing. Drawing is 18,000. Deduct it. Closing capital is 2,13,600. Okay. Next, you take the account balance or that loan. First, you take the creditor closing balance. Then you take the loan from Mrs. Sundar. It is in the cash book. It is in the cash book receipt side. 18,000. Okay. Then come to the asset side, you take the account balances. Cash account balance is 1,89,600. Debtors account balance is 30,000. Closing stock is 21,000. Then furniture purchased in the cash book is 12,000. Okay. I think these are the items. Take the total. Total is 2,52,600. This is the total of the balance sheet. With this, I complete the single entry system of bookkeeping. I think I solved 10 to 15 examples. I solved 10 to 15 examples. You solve remaining examples how I explain to you people. In this procedure, you apply certain procedure and prepare the accounts and ascertain the missing information, then go to trading profit and loss account. Okay. I think I solved some different problems. You solve the remaining problems. If there are any different adjustment, you call me and clarify it. Okay. And in the format I have given debtors account, creditors account, P&L account, trading account, balance sheet in the format. So in the format, you have to remember another two items. You see here. In the debtors account, you see the debtors account. In the debtors account, you have to show in the debit side here. In the debit side, you have to write one more item, that is the cash, refund of cash. Refund of cash comes from the debit side here. You write to cash refund. Cash refunded to debtors comes in the debtors account debit side. This is the one more point you remember in the debtors account. Okay. And in the bills receivable account, one more item comes on the credit side, that is debtors account credit side. Sorry, bills receivable account credit side. In the bills receivable account credit side, you write creditor account for endorsement of bill. If bill is endorsed, bills receivable account credit side you have to enter. This is the point, note down. Okay. This is for endorsement of bills receivable, and this is cash refund for excess cash refund. These 2 points I have not given in the format. You note down these 2 points. And next is regarding the creditors account. In the creditors account, you have to make adjustment regarding in the creditors account bills endorsement. You see this. This is called as bills receivable endorsement. This point I have not given in the format. You note this point. This is for bills endorsement. Okay. And one more thing, freight charge you take on the credit side. This is not given in the format. These 3 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points you adjust in the format and note down the format. Okay. With this, I complete this chapter, and tomorrow I'll take farm accounting, third unit. Farm accounting I'll start tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. If you are having doubts, you can call me and clarify them. Okay. Thank you.